A budget binder is the most underrated money tool. Here's how to set one up in 30 minutes and why it works better than apps. Monthly budget template, bill tracker, and savings goal page. Debt payoff tracker. Seeing balances drop builds momentum. Spending log, grocery list, and yearly financial calendar. Tab 1. Monthly budget, income, expenses, leftovers. Tab 2. Bills due, company, amount, due date, autopay Y/N. Tab 3. Debt tracker, balance, minimum, extra payment, payoff date. Tab 4. Savings goals, multiple goals, progress bars. Tab 5. Net worth tracker, assets minus liabilities, monthly snapshot. 5-minute weekly review keeps it current. Set a recurring Sunday reminder. Writing reinforces commitment. Psychological research confirms this. No login required. Friction is the enemy of habit. Physical presence makes money feel real, not abstract numbers. Get my complete budget binder printable set at https://www.etsy.com/shop/MoFlowCo.